Hello, 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 beautiful people. This is Jacqueline Price coming to you again with another quick video. How I made $6,000 with SSM. How I made $6,000 with Successful Solution Method. Yes, yes, yes. So here we are on my Facebook page, and I just wanted to, let you know that I am a real person. I've been online full time for gosh, full time since 2018. And I've been in a lot of different things, but I've found massive success with this amazing program right here. And I'm so excited about it. Successful Solution Method. So I just wanted to show you my Facebook page. What the training that we get in this program is absolutely amazing. You're just going to learn how to brand yourself. You're going to learn how to make your page successful. Let me see if I can minimize this. Okay, hopefully that'll work. But you're going to learn how to brand yourself. It's all about you because people join people, right? They join people. And so as you can see here, I've earned $6,025 with the program. I am a VIP Access Club member. Yes, yes, yes. So it's so amazing. It's so exciting because we're doing some amazing things with this particular program. And so what it does, it teaches you how to brand yourself. It teaches you how to get engagement on your Facebook page. The more eyeballs on your page, that turns into traffic, it turns into leads, it turns into more sales, people who want what you have. And so you see this post here, it got 372 reactions, 230 comments. These are the type things that we learned in this amazing program. So I'm going to go now. Let's see if I can go to the Facebook group. And I just want to show you the Facebook group. See how many people we have in there. We have 11,788 people. That's amazing. That is amazing. I'm not trying to create a post. Facebook is asking me how I feel. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, so here we go. Successful Solution Method. This program, this platform is amazing. You get paid by learning how to do tasks. Someone $100. Yes, yes, yes. Another $700. 10,000. 10,000. Wow, is that prophetic or what? $1,050 in 2 days. That's her grand total. Amazing. $50. So this is the Facebook group, the platform um, that shows. So we had 447 people on the call. They're coming in. It's a crazy. It's crazy. People show up to greatness when you can come in and learn how to do this particular business because it's so easy. It's very newbie friendly. The training is phenomenal. The community, this Facebook group is phenomenal. We have a Telegram chat. It's just amazing. Here's another $250 people are earning. And then here's the main thing. If you don't get traffic, then you don't have a business. If you don't have traffic going to your site, you don't have a business. So you have to have traffic. $50 here. Wow, it's incredible. The engagement, $500. More money here. What is this? $500. Yes, yes, yes. More people buying traffic. More people upgrading to the diamond level. Yes, yes, yes. More buying traffic. $200. It's absolutely amazing. $50. Traffic by $100. $50. Someone upgraded to the gold level. This is what's happening in this particular program. And it's just absolutely amazing. And so I wanted to, to make sure that you find out about this program, because this program is where you're going to be able to earn money. Yes. So let's go back here and I'm going to show you really quick. I'm going to log in. And when you join me in the opportunity, you're going to watch this video right here. It's a quick start video. You must watch this video. This video shows you exactly what to do and how to get started. And so we have the bronze level. This is how you're going to get started. The bronze level is 125. The silver is 325. The gold level is 500. The platinum level is 1,000, and the diamond package is 2,000. So those are the levels that you will get started, and you will see that you get all kinds of training that's going to help you capitalize and help you, get ahead of your competition in marketing and everything like that. You're going to learn video marketing. You're going to learn it's going to give you more confidence in your business. It's going to help you with everything. It's going to help you to be able to do videos just like I'm doing right now. It's going to help you. It's also not just that, but let's get to the money. It's going to show you how to put the money in your bank account. I've earned $6,000 with this program. $6,025 with this amazing program. This is your affiliate back office. It shows you the transaction. It shows you the traffic that you get. And it's just amazing. Shows the payment history and all of that. Let's click right here. So it shows like all the payments that have came in. Yes, this platform is amazing and I'm grateful for it. And I just wanted to make sure to let you know how I've earned $6,000 with this program. Very newbie friendly. I mean, it's just amazing. And I wanted to make sure that I shared it with you. Make sure that you click down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and go to my website and check it out. www.profitwithjackie.com. Profitwithjackie.com. It's an amazing program. Watch the video, and you too can get started and see your success with Successful Solution Method. I'll see you at the top on the next video. Talk to you guys later. This is Jackie signing off.